Are you a pass out of 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026? Then this video is for you guys. Please don't skip this video because here I am discussing about three companies. They don't have any specific pass out criteria. Means if you are a graduate from any year, you can apply for these opportunities. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video until end because those three hirings will be very useful for you. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seeker Sub. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our Job Seeker Sub channel. The first hiring is from Adani guys. Adani announced its off-campus hiring for Apprentice. Here you can see the role is Apprentice. Mumbai, Maharashtra, India is the location. Responsibilities here you can see we are excited you to invite fresh talent to join Adani Airports security team at Mumbai International Airport Limited. Means you are thinking, man, we got a security jobs. No, not that. Just read all the criteria here. MIAL. This is a great opportunity for recent graduates to begin their career in a dynamic and secure environment. Eligibility criteria is trainee screener. Yes, your role is trainee screener, and this is a apprentice. Means this is for a specific period of time. Education is any graduate can apply for this opportunity. Here, graduate here they mentioned is 2025 2026 pass outs only. If you are a BCA, BSc, BTech, anything you can apply for this opportunity. If you are a 25-26 pass out, then you can apply for this opportunity easily. And conversion from apprentice to supervisor on FTA roles on successful completion of basic AVSC and ILHBS certification from BCA. So after getting that some particular certification, you will be converted to supervisor on FTA roles. First read the responsibilities once, and if you okay with this, you can just click on apply now and you can apply for this opportunity. Here you can see this is a job identification code and posting date is a 21/8/2026. Yesterday only they posted, and apply before 31/8/2026. So we had around 8 to 9 days of time for that particular opportunity. Another hiring is from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for consultant OCI process automation Bengaluru Oracle, and here you can see location may vary. It will be Hyderabad or Bengaluru. If Hyderabad, prefer 5 days work from office will be there. Experience is fresher, level is consultant. Notice period is immediate joining. Those who can join within a week, like if you don't have any specific notice period, if you are a fresher and if you don't have any job, if you apply for this opportunity, you have to join within a week. So if you okay with that, you can easily apply for this opportunity. Here you can see they are searching for SDET, means software development engineer in a test. This is a testing role guys. So you have to know some Power BI automation using Selenium and Java, API automation using REST assured, SQL, Oracle. Like if you had a Selenium and if you had a good knowledge on SQL or Oracle, then you can easily apply for this opportunity. And as I mentioned earlier, education is any. If you are a pass out from 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, you can apply for this opportunity easily. Their need is you have to join within a week. If you are interested in this opportunity, just click on this apply now button. Easily you can apply for this opportunity. Next hiring is from Capgemini guys. So Capgemini announced its off-campus hiring for associate software engineer. Here you can see your role is deliver technical support over the phone chat for software, Windows OS, drivers, hardware, peripherals, etc. Although this is a associate software engineer, the role of your is a technical support engineer here, and diagnosis and resolve technical issues efficiently, aiming for first call resolution FCR. Means this will be a phone or chat. Means there will be a voice and sometimes there will be a chat. You have to prepare for both as well, and drive customer satisfaction CSAT by ensuring timely and effective resolutions of issues. Like you have to solve some particular customer issue within this time frame only. Like they will allocate some 5 to 10 minutes of time frame. If you solve in that time frame, it will be good for you. And document all customer interactions and troubleshooting steps accurately in the ticketing system. Means they will give a particular training on a ServiceNow portal or something else. They will give a training on tool. You have to work on that tool, and you have to create a tickets, you have to maintain SLAs, you have to speak with the customer like that. And your profile is excellent verbal communication skills with a neutral accent and active listening abilities, basic networking skills like Wi-Fi, LAN, or IP configuration, ability to multitask and work in a fast-paced environment. Prior experience in a voice-based technical support is preferred. If you had a prior experience in a voice-based technical support, you can apply for this opportunity. Even freshers also can try for this opportunity. If you don't have any experience, just try to apply for this opportunity. If you get shortlisted, it will be okay. Otherwise, you can easily leave. Willingness to work in night shifts aligned in US time zones, willingness to work in rotational shifts with rotational weeks off as well. So we are committed to ensure like that they had given all the things. Just click on this apply now button, just to fill this form and give your basic details like name, email ID, resume, and try to apply for this opportunity if you are interested in this particular opportunity. And that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our job seeker sub channel.